I gotcha. I gotcha.
Good.
Drop. Let's go again. Now I'm going to go to the fish hook, alright? Alright, so now you got to throw a leg over, don't fall back. Throw a leg over, throw one leg over.
Ready?
Yep.
Thanks anyway.
That's it. Alright, Doc. You got it. Good job. That's it. Leg over. On, big horse. I got that on camera too. Woo! Good team. That's alright. I'll high five myself.